Hello, hi, what's up, guys? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to Canvic Traders YouTube channel. This is Yosham, and I'm here to helping you to turn your trading journey into success. And today in video, we are going to discuss about the monthly rental income. Monthly rental income is for house, bungalow, or commercial space, right? Yes, but if you invest in some kind of a strategies in stock market with limited budget, with limited stop loss, and you can get monthly rental income. So without any ado, let's jump into the video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please hit the red button on the below. And if you are first time visiting our channel also, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss anything. Welcome back. Let's explore the monthly rental income. So it is in FNO segment and options, and mainly I'm focusing on Nifty and Bank Nifty because everyone stayed very much interested on indices trading options mainly. So I'm going to cover in this video the monthly rental income strategy with the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty also. So let's go. So this is obstradefenedge.com. I already logged in. It's a free website. You can check the strategy builder, and you can back testing the options also. I'm not talking about the website now. So I'm straightly going to I am selecting the strategy builder. So this page would be appear, and I am selecting the options. Okay, so because it's a option strategy, right? So you can take weekly or monthly also. Okay, you can take weekly expiry or monthly expiry also. We can trade in that. Okay, so I am taking next month, that means June 24th is the monthly expiry. I'm taking that. You can select the weekly also. There is no specific reason. Okay, and first we have to sell ATM. How to select this strike? Okay, please pay attention and don't skip the video, because if you know the entry, if you don't know the other conditions, you will going to lose this trade. Okay, please pay attention. Okay, the Nifty spot price is 14,677. Okay, if it is above 50, that means 14,650 above means you have to select the nearest 100. Okay, if it is below, that means 14,640 or 645 or 630, 620 below the 50, then 14,600 would be my nearest strike. So if the spot is around 14,632 means we have to select 14,600. Okay, if the spot is 14,660 or 70 or 80, 90, we have to go for next nearest 100. Okay, round figure. That's why I selected 14,700. I'll tell you the Bank Nifty also, same process. Okay, so I'm adding the position here. Okay, and the second one is that sell the same PE also, same strike PE also. I'll tell you the how to select the next strikes also in the slide. You can take the screenshot or you can make a note of that, and you can trade, you can take the virtual trade in this platform. Otherwise, I have already made a beautiful video on virtual trading, that Neo stocks. I'll give you in the description the link of the video, so you can go and watch that video, so you can, without losing your hard-earned money, to get the confidence, you can trade in that. Okay, and again immediately buy side. Okay, we have to cap the risk. For that, I need to add 200 to the CE and minus 200 strike to the PE. If it is confused, let's wait, I'll show you that. What is the CE strike here? 14,700, right? So we have to plus 200 strike. That means 14,900 CE, right? And I have selected the buy and one lot, add position, add. And the PE is 14,700. So we need to subtract 200 points. That means 14,500 P. I've added that. Okay. So my loss would be, the max loss would be 3,000. If the Nifty is going to hit 16,900 or 7,000 also, you will get this much loss only. If tomorrow something happened, really was happened with US markets or Russian or whatever it may be, whatever the news, if it is fall to around 11,000 levels also, your loss would be capped with 3,000 only. Okay, if Nifty is closing by this expiry within these levels, your profit graph should be like this. Okay, if it is closing at 14,678, the same levels, means you will get 10,000, otherwise 6,500, something like this. Okay, so this is the basic strategy, and the margin required is around 63,000. I'll show you that. And what is the stop loss here for 63,000? It's around, it's roughly 4 to 5% stop loss for this actually, and risk reward is also favorable actually. 1:4 ratio, I can say that. Okay, if you lose 1 rupee, if you get 4 rupees. Okay, so what is the margin required in Zerodha also? I have added the same strikes here, the same kind of a thing. It's total 59,880. Okay, it's around roughly 60,000 rupees we required. Okay, the same 2 strikes sell, 2 strikes buy. Okay, let's see for bank Nifty also. The same this one I'm taking the expiry, and the spot would be 32,169. So as per our rules, what is the strike price? Can you guess? 32,200, right? Nearby strike. I'm adding quickly PE and selling the CE also with the same strike. And here the main part is that in Nifty we have taken 200 plus, 200 minus. In the Bank Nifty we have to plus 500. Okay, so what is the strike? 32,200. So I'm taking 32,700 CE on buy, and 32,200. So 31,700 PE also I am buying. Okay, this is given very risk reward ratio is very good actually. 1,000 rupees your stop loss, around 1,200 rupees your stop loss, 11,000. It is very much good, right? So this is how you can calculate and you can execute this trade also. You can, so let's see now. You can take a screenshot or this one. This is the fixed loss and fixed profit also. No adjustments required. That's the best part. And you no need to worry about the gap up, gap down, or any news, this and that. By end of the expiry, you will get that much SL only. Okay, because we are already capping the loss, right? If it is going beyond that range, definitely it will save us. Okay, this is for Nifty 50 and this is for Bank Nifty. Okay, hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please share and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.